Most AI models have seen most text, but what about real-world POV video from smart glasses captured by people doing everyday tasks? In this repo, we show you how to collect the egocentric video using Prolific. So let me give you a walkthrough. This repo is open source, so you can fully use it, you can build on top of it. The main thing here is this Python video collection script. Here we have all the API calls you need to make to Prolific to be able to collect your data. And then to make it easy for you, we also included this configuration YAML file where you can give the specifics about your task to the taskers. Everything from specific instructions to the type of files that you're going to accept. And you can also decide how much you're going to pay each one of the taskers and how many taskers do you need. You can use this as usual with Prolific. You can select from over 300 filters on demographic data of the participants, so you can get exactly the people that you need for this task. But in addition to that, the one filter that you should definitely include for this task is head-mounted devices. So you want to have people that own one of these head-mounted devices. In my specific case, I limited it to only smart glasses. So that's why here I have these 3, 4, 5, and 6 that are Meta Area, Ray-Ban, HoloLens, and generic AR glasses. Additionally, we also have a dashboard to help you visualize the results as they come in. And we also have a supported script where if you want to message the participants in bulk and you want to send them bonus payments if they did a great job and you are happy with the results, you can also do that programmatically via this script. So without further ado, let's run this script. So you just do Python, prolific video collection.py, and create. That way we can visualize it on Prolific before we publish it onto the participants. So now we can go on Prolific. If we refresh here, we should see a draft. So here's our draft study. We can make sure that everything looks as it is supposed to look like. The main thing here is that we have programmatically selected the people that own these smart glasses. Right now, at the time of filming this video, we have 2,700 people that qualify. And you can also preview as a participant. So this is what participants are going to see on their end. They go on the task and we click next over here. And here they will read the instructions and then they will upload the video. And they will tell you which kind of device they use for this. So once after you have done this, we go back here. We do Python prolific video collection, but not create. This time we're going to do launch. And we say yes. And that means that our study was published. So if I go back here, this is active. So now we can start seeing our responses coming in. Once you have published your study, you can run Python dashboard, and this will open in your local system a dashboard where you can visualize the submissions coming in. So let me show you how does that look like. It would look something like this. Of course, you can build your own dashboard however you want it to be, but this is just to help you get started. As I was building this, something really nice happened. At first, this was just a demo, a way to collect point of view videos through smart glasses. A bit of code, a workflow, an experiment. But then the videos started coming in. Streets in Asia, homes in Europe, morning walks in Latin America, small moments in Africa, everyday life in North America. And suddenly, it wasn't just data anymore. It was people. Tiny windows into lives happening all over the world. Sometimes behind all the code, the dashboards, the systems, we forget the point. But this reminded me, there are real people on the other side.
Let's have a look.
And in a way, that's what Prolific has always been about.